Living in Nigeria and earning in dollars has become many people's dream. With the recent dollar to naira exchange rate, a few dollars will actually make a difference in your life. Today I'll be sharing how you can make money, like how you can earn in dollars while living in Nigeria. If this might interest you, please stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and lifestyle. My goal on this channel is to help you build multiple streams of passive income, which is something I'm passionate about and I have been doing. If any of this interests you, kindly consider subscribing. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I have a new upload. Living in Nigeria and earning in dollars has become many people's dream. With the recent dollar to naira exchange rate, a few dollars will actually make a difference in your life. So today I'll be sharing how to earn in dollars while living in Nigeria. Without further ado, let's get right into it. The first way you can earn in dollars while living in Nigeria is through Google AdSense. So ways you can make money through Google AdSense is by having a YouTube channel or a blog. Yes, either by being a YouTuber or a blogger. If you're somebody who enjoys sitting in front of a camera, like you're comfortable sitting in front of a camera and you have exciting and educative content to share with your audience, then you should consider creating a YouTube channel. And if you're one who writes so well, then consider blogging. You basically earn through blogging when people visit your blogs and through advertisements. And for YouTube channel, you need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 watch hours. This will enable you to earn money from Google AdSense. So you can either own a YouTube channel, or if you're a writer, then you should create a blog for yourself. The second idea I'll be talking about is freelancing or remote jobs. This is one of the best way of earning in dollars. You can get freelancing jobs either as a writer, a graphic designer, like a tech guru, any of these categories. And these are actually jobs you can do from home. Yes, these are jobs you can do from home. Fiverr is an online platform where you can render those services and you earn dollars. I've talked about, I think in one of my videos, I talked about Fiverr. Fiverr is an online platform where you render a service in exchange for money and you basically get paid in dollars. So please, if this sounds like something that is interesting to you, please check out Fiverr and register on that platform. You basically do not even need to be a writer or somebody like who is into any of those categories I mentioned. You can actually be a comedian. Like, there are actually different things, different gigs you can do on Fiverr. Please check it out and also register. Just sign up today and start your journey to earning in dollars. The third way I'll be talking about is publishing books online, which is basically ebooks. Writing and publishing books on Amazon's or Okada Books is one of the best way of earning in dollars. Platforms like Okada Books makes it easier, faster, and even free to write and publish a book. And see, this is not even limited to books. It could be a short story, it could be a review, it could be anything. Yes, it does not basically need to be books and books alone. You simply get paid when any of your publications is being read or downloaded. Yes, that is how you simply get paid, either on Okada Books or on Amazon. The fourth one I'll be talking about is translation. Yes, translation. If you're somebody who speaks foreign languages, then you're a gold mine because many companies are looking for you. So there was a time my sister got a gig. Yeah, she studied French and she's so good at it. And she told me that, oh, this person is offering me so amounts. And no, that is actually too small. And I'm like, oh my god, that is small. Like, that money you called is actually small. So if you're somebody who is so good in other foreign languages like French, Spanish, any of those languages, then you should consider making money, like earning in dollars through that. You can get a gig to translate from English to French or from English to any other language. So, and this is not even limited to other foreign languages. It could be Yoruba, it could be your local language, like it could be Yoruba, it could be Hausa, Igbo, or any of your local dialects. Yes, you simply get gigs in English, then you translate them to those languages, like whatever it is, the gig is saying, you should translate that the book too. The next one I'll be talking about is app development. Technology is the future and soon everything will now be done online, like on apps. Every business owner wants an app for their business, either in Nigeria and even abroad. You know what? The tech guys are actually the one making meaningful dollars. Yes, the tech guys, whenever you see them anywhere, please build them. Yes. If you ask me, your educational background does not even matter, because I have friends, I know people who studied different courses in school and after they finished, they went back and learned app development and they are doing so well. And and that is what they're actually using in making money. Yes, that is what they are. It is something you can learn. Just be passionate and committed. It's something you can learn irrespective of what your educational background is saying. So the sixth idea I'll be talking about is transcription. Yes, this is simply the art of transcribing audio to text. If you're somebody who pays attention to details and type fast, then you should consider this and start earning some dollars for yourself. Transcription is required by many professionals like doctors, lawyers, like in every sector. In every sector of the world, transcription is usually needed. This is because they need to have a certified written copy of spoken events available for references. And transcribing will not take so much. It does not require so much specialty or professionalism. It will only take your time. Yes, it will take time. Transcribing isn't hard, but it can be time consuming. So if you know you have some time to yourself, so sit, listen to speech, then you translate them into written documents, please consider transcription job. From the screen record, you can see how much you can earn as a transcriptionist. It begins from $15 per hour. Yes, and for professionals, you tend to earn more. Then the last one I'll be talking about is affiliate marketing. Yes, affiliate marketing. This is one of the most lucrative ways of making money online these days. If you have a good presence online, you have a YouTube channel, you have a blog, then you should start making money through affiliate marketing. So you simply promote different services, different products and companies on either your blog, your YouTube channel, or your social media pages. That is how you earn. Once anybody clicks that link to either purchase that service or buy a course, you get a certain percent, and you're mostly paid in dollars. Yes, mostly paid in dollars. These are the top 7 ways you can earn in dollars while living in Nigeria. Let me know if you're into any of those already. If you have any of those gigs you do to earn money, to earn dollars, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. So I have many videos on business ideas you can do from home or from anywhere, drop shipping in Nigeria, and even how to contact importers you can dropship for in Nigeria. I'll link the video right up here. Please check them out. I'll also put the links to those videos in the description box. Please check them out. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. I'm waiting for you in the comment section. Please let me know what next you would love to watch on my channel. Thank you so much. And if you've not subscribed, please do not click off without subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button down there to join our team today. Thank you so much. You guys know how much I love you. Please do not go yet. Please don't forget to check any of those videos you'll be seeing on the screen right now. Please check them out. I'm sure you get value watching them. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you in other videos I have on this channel. I love you all. Lastly, do not forget to follow me on my social media platforms on Instagram, Twitter at Fumike_Afo, on Facebook Fumike Afolabomi. Thank you.